Hey there, beautiful soul. Today I want to talk about my free self love assessment and why I think everyone should take it. Even if you think you have your self love game figured out, take it. You might be surprised by what you learn. Why I created the assessment. Before I created my course, I created the assessment. And honestly, the assessment came first because I needed a way to help people understand where they were actually starting from. Here's the thing. Most people have no idea how much they're struggling with self love until they're forced to actually think about it. We're so used to putting ourselves last, ignoring our needs, saying yes when we mean no, accepting less than what we deserve. That it just becomes normal. We don't even realize how depleted we are. What the assessment measures. The assessment look at 5 key areas with questions like number 1, self-awareness. 1. Do you know your values? Do you understand your triggers? And are you honest with yourself about your feelings? Number 2, self-talk. Is your inner voice kind or cruel? Do you speak to yourself with compassion? Do you challenge negative thoughts? 3, boundaries. Can you say no? Do you communicate your needs? Do you protect your time and energy? 4. Do you prioritize your physical health? Do you rest without guilt? Do you make time for joy? 5. Self-compassion. Can you forgive yourself? Do you celebrate your wins? Do you accept your imperfections? And by answering these questions, each area is scored out of 25 for a total possible score of 125. What your score means. From 100 to 125, you're thriving in self-love. For 75 to 99, you're growing in self-love. You're on the right path. For 50 to 73, struggling with self-love, it's time to prioritize yourself. And from 0 to 49, self-love crisis. Please know you're not alone. Most people score between average 50 to 75 when they first take it, and that's completely normal. Why you should take it, and here's why the assessment mattered. You can't improve what you don't measure. You can't heal what you don't acknowledge. The assessment gives you 1, a clear picture on where you at right now. 2, your priority area, which area needs the most work. And 3, a baseline to measure your progress. And it's free. It only takes 5 minutes. There's literally no reason not to take it. You might ask, what happened after? After you take the assessment, you'll get your results immediately. You'll see your total score, breakdown by category, your lowest area. This is where to start, an affirmation based on your score. You can also track your progress over time. Take it once a month. Watch your score improve as you do the work. So go take it right now. Seriously. Pause this episode. Go to freeselflove.netlify.app and take the assessment. And if your score is lower than you hoped, that's okay. That's why the course exists. That's why this podcast exists. That's why the community exists. Use code SS20 for 20% off the code. Let me repeat it again. Use code SS20 ASSESS20 for 20% off the course. Alright, that's it for today. Go take the assessment and let me know what you discovered. Remember, self-love is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and see you in the next episode. And I sure cannot wait to see you there. Bye.